Hello, have a nice Sunday. Tara, let's eat rice with chop suey gisado with chicken liver and giniling and cold water. Tara, let's eat. Nilagyan ko ng cornstarch slurry para lumapot. Okay guys, thanks for viewing Mami Violeta Vlogs. Bye!